Hello everyone, it's that time of the year again where you start getting some bargains for your kids or your nieces. So I've got my niece is into K-pop, so I've got her this K-pop Demon Hunters advent calendar. You have 24 days, that's what I've got her. I can't wait to give this to my niece and get her and see what she thinks of it. That's what the back looks like. So if any of your kids love K-pop, get them this calendar from TikTok Shop.